This video demonstrates how MetaEdit Plus manages the co-evolution of languages and models along with tooling. Languages are created by defining their meta-model and grammar, then the notation should be a diagram, matrix, table, and constraints and semantics like those mapping models to the code. When such a language definition is then done, it provides a modeling solution to create the models and then generate various outputs like code in this example. When this solution is put into practice, what happens is that the language needs to be updated because the domain changes or users have new needs. And when this happens, nobody wants to lose the tooling and especially the models made so far. MetaEdit Plus is made to automate as much as possible this kind of evolution. So when the language is evolving on here shown in the left with the language definition tools of MetaEdit Plus, the models update automatically as much as possible. Let me next demonstrate this by using an example of a state machine kind of language. So I'm using here a language definition, and let's show also the model. So here is the small state machine modeling language, and here is its definition. So we have a concept like states, transitions, and resets, and then we can produce code like over here. So let's do some changes next. We have here a concept of state, and if we say that it is called instead of situation, and I accept the change, what happens is that automatically the element like state is now became a situation. The property sheet is updated, the dialogues are updated, the browsers are updated, and icons and toolbar operations are updated. Adding is normally an easy kind of thing as well, unless it restricts the language definition or if we remove things from the meta model. Let's add then here an occurrence constraint by saying that only one resets are allowed. So as soon as I accept this change, there's absolutely no way to say which one of these two is the correct one. So what we can do instead is that we can provide a checking, or the language engineer in multi-user version of MetaEdit can go through all the models where it is and make the changes, or use then this checking functionality where we can add here a new kind of check where we count how many resets we have, and if it have too many, then we will provide that information contextually for the user. Or we extend this to provide a little bit more, even more details to show that, for instance, list all those reset events and tell what they are. So from the checking report that is now updated over here, the modeler can directly go and see that, okay, this is the one I would like to remove, and then everything looks great. In no circumstances the editors of MetaEdit broke or do not open for modelers when you update your modeling language. You can try this by using the MetaEdit Plus and download it and ensure that your language and work done is future-proof. Thank you for watching.